All right, it is now December 31st. Tomorrow is New Year's. I'm gonna play around in the snow a little bit. Because why not? Let's see if this thing will start. Usually it starts easier than that. What's up with that? I don't think the gas is off. I'll check it. I can smell gas. Usually we can keep it on this one. So I'm wondering if it lost its spark already. It just ran. And for you guys, it would be one of the last videos. So I'm not a huge fan of the points and condenser anymore. I don't know if they just don't like to sit. This one's not electronic. All the ones that we did convert to electronic don't have any problems with them anymore. I wonder if it didn't get any fuel. Oh, nothing's ever easy. Now I think it's sparked because I got a little bit of smoke coming up there. And I got gas in the bottom of the carb. It's wet, so probably this now. Like, why does everything have to be so difficult? Now I believe she's gonna go. Did another file another points. We'll see. Should pop off a little bit. Should go now. Almost gotta have sandpaper in your pocket at all times. A little bit of daylight out yet. I still want to get a charger right here. Shouldn't need any choke because I looked like it was flooded. Okay. Enough fuel now. Thinking that's a fuel thing. I might have to give this up for today, I don't know. too. Because seemed like it might have been. I don't think it's getting enough fuel. It was so cold, the fuel free solid or what? Yeah, I don't know if I trust this to go for a ride with it. Being pretty unreliable. No, I'll try it. Move on the edge a little bit, huh? Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna get. I know it's got gas, Emma. Guys, what do you think? Maybe I can get through that? Or am I gonna get buried? That's if it runs good. Oh, look at this snowmobile, huh? Look at the snowmobile. Here, only have 4 months left. There was a big drift here the other day. It was huge. It was probably 6 feet tall. Brighter than what it is out here. It's 4:30, 4:42. It's getting pretty dark. I still got a snowmobile here to play with. hopefully you like the video. Just wanted to get one out. It's more difficult to start than I had hoped, but it does it good to run too. For a while I was going to give it up there. Yeah, this one's probably one of my favorites because it's my grandpa's, and my grandpa was always hesitant to sell it. He did not want any part of it. But I mean, it's not like after they got out of farming, he handed it over to my uncle, or handed it down. He didn't really need them. He accumulated some of these Olivers after he quit farming, so he didn't really need them. So it's not like we need these, but so he had found this one and he didn't want to sell it for the longest time, and then sometimes he would give hints that he was interested in selling. And one day my dad was there at the right time and he had the trailer, and he's like, well, you still want to sell it? And he's like, yeah, I guess I would. And that's how we got it. Otherwise he wanted to keep this one pretty bad.